Hello, class. This is a video. I originally kind of thought it'd be uplifting, but I guess it's kind of a depressing topic. But it's about what's kind of like going on in science, as especially chemistry, as a chemistry class going on right now. And the topic of this video is microplastics, and specifically microplastics seems to cause more shrimp to get sick and die. So microplastics, I mean, you find them in a lot of things. I mean, some of them we've made illegal, like they used to put microplastics in toothpaste, for instance. And I mean, among other things, humans just didn't like them, kind of thing. But I mean, there's microplastics in many products, and they get into the environment and then they cause damage. And one of them, it seems to be, is shrimp mortality. And I think what's interesting about this is that the larger microplastics, the ones that have 100 micrometers in length, those seem to be more damaging than the ones that are 5 or 10 micrometers. And you'd think that the smaller ones would be more dangerous, but it seems that the longer ones are more. We're not really sure what's going on, so there'll be maybe a little more study in this, but it's interesting to see that you see this result, and the result specifically with shrimp. So it's interesting. This also shows you how science works. So, I mean, we have we seem to have something going on here. Well, in this case, it'd be a correlation. Correlation itself doesn't link causality. So there needs to be a little more study in this. But there does seem to be quite a bit going on here and specifically with the white spot syndrome virus in larval shrimp guts, right? So this is pretty significant. At least it looks significant. So we'll see what happens in terms of if more information comes out on this. I'm not sure how long the studies will be. So, well, that's that. This is the quick article, and sorry it's not too uplifting. It's a little sad actually, because it comes to be with pollution and then effects on the biosphere. But that's part of chemistry. That's part of science, is understanding how we humans interact with the environment and what our anthropogenic effects are on the environment. So talking about the class, I know that it looks like there's some issues with Labster. I don't know why it's not working. I sent an email to Labster. I'll try and figure it out. I'll try and figure that out. Try to get that fixed as soon as possible. Also, tracking the students. There's been at least 5 students have dropped and added the class. So if you are a new student, please respond to the introduction forum, and also respond to some peers by Sunday. So I'll start checking next week. I don't take off for late work, by the way, but I will start to hound you if you don't do this. And it's an easy assignment, and it's like really really easy points there. So and I'm also doing this for a couple of reasons. So because this is the way that we do things now, right? We do a lot of online things, and interacting with people is important, and having a good online presence is important. Also, I need to verify your attendance, and since this is an online class, right, and I mean, I'm not even in the state, so it's not like we can come around and I can look you in the eyes and count you, kind of thing. So, and this is all asynchronous, so we have no set times for anything either. So that's how I'm doing it, that and signing up for Mastering Chemistry. So, and I'm seeing students sign up for Mastering Chemistry as well, so it's working. So, okay, so that's more or less of the business of the class, at least what's going on right now. I also, with these videos, I try to check in with you. I guess you're not so worried about this in California, although there are quite a few fires. Right here in Hawaii, we have the fires that are still ongoing on the island of Maui, and I know that also in Yuba area around there, it's prone to fires and whatnot. So, but I mean, in general, students facing food insecurities or housing insecurities, that's really tough. And increasingly, I've seen mental health be an issue. So don't forget about your mental health. I know it's the beginning of the semester and we've got a long semester ahead, but time goes quickly. I was just even thinking, I'm afraid I'm gonna blink my eyes and it's gonna be Halloween, and blink again and it's Christmas, kind of thing. So we'll see. And of course, there's a lot to do between now and then. So, but in some ways, I'd be happy if I blink and it happens. But then again, it's kind of scary how fast time can go sometimes. So, but if you find yourself dealing with any of those issues, please let me know. Please look after yourselves, and let me know what I can do to help. Okay? So, aloha for now. Goodbye.